buddy. That guy thought we were waving at him.
Hilarious.
That's
Hey,
so
man.
funny. Hi, dude. We're just really friendly people.
We're tourists.
So this video is just us stopping at a few of the not so touristy Route 66 roadside attractions. And our first stop was here in Tucumcari, New Mexico. I sort of say North Mexico. Well, it's northern New Mexico, right?
There you go.
Okay, well, anyway.
Tie it together.
So yeah, that's where we're at. And so this is the Route 66 monument that is at the Tucumcari Convention Center. And so we wanted to just stop here and start this video with that. Okay, so we are in Grants, New Mexico, and we stopped to get this cool shot, picture. But I also wanted to show, and this is on Old Route 66, wanted to show the cool park because I've seen a lot of pictures of this sign with people pulled through to get their picture, but I've never seen anything of the park. There's like an old caboose over there, and I'm assuming probably a water fountain when it's pretty chilly right now, so they probably aren't doing it till summer, but those old satellite dishes are actually painted pretty neat. In fact, there's one right there on the corner, and there's some down there on the, it's a pretty nice little area. Pretty clean. Be a good place to stop and have a picnic. Grab you a cool picture for a souvenir and have a picnic.
There's also a mining museum over there.
Yeah.
It says you could go underground.
If I can zoom in on that, right there, mining museum. All right, another stop on Route 66. Continental Divide. It's supposed to be a place where you can pour the water and watch it separate. I don't know. That might be a myth. It says the same thing on both sides. It is really noisy. This is just right on I-40. I mean, literally. Just go up there and exit on that exit right there. And then there's this little Indian village gift shop, but it's closed. That one looks closed too. They're all closed. But we are kind of late in the day too. Ooh, look at that view back over there. Just saw that. Let's zoom in on that view. Isn't that pretty? Alright, our next stop. Right here at the big arrows. They're pretty big. Why don't you go over there and stand by an arrow so they can see how big it is. So they're pretty good size. Pretty cool. And there's I-40 right there. So it's right off of I-40 at the Navajo Travel Plaza. Very easy to get to. There's not really a lot of parking on this side. This wasn't marked. It is painted red, but most of that over there is marked no parking. So you either park back over there in the dirt with the semis, or I guess park at the gas pump. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, so that was kind of a cool little Route 66 stop. Another roadside stop that we just had to stop at. Some old cars back over in there. The one that actually caught my eye was the Volkswagen Rabbit, of course. I'm a big fan of Volkswagens. Well, both of us are, really. That's pretty cute. The Rabbit. But there is the reason we stopped. The Jackrabbit. So, I'm gonna have to get a picture sitting on the Jackrabbit. So, here in Winslow, they have a 9/11 memorial that we wanted to stop and see. That's crazy to see them. They're so big and thick, and I mean, how did they bend? You know, it's just crazy. So we are standing on the corner in Winslow, Arizona, of course. And what a fine sight to see.
Mighty fine sight.
Yep, there's the flatbed Ford. The chick is actually a mural. There's the dude that we don't know who he is that's standing on the corner. And then over there where all those people are, and there goes the truck, is Glen Fry. So it's pretty cool. Kind of a neat little stop. I've always wanted to stop here and do this. Don't know why, just one of those things. But I really like the big US 66 in the center. That's pretty cool. So this was a fun stop for me. So we are at our last US 66 stop. We are in Seligman, Arizona, of course. And we had to come over to the hippie van because we want to slap our sticker onto the hippie van and see if we recognize anybody's stickers. Ooh, there's a lot of stickers. Oh, some doing the locks of, what do they call that? I can't remember what they, locks of love, or I don't know, I can't remember. Find a somewhat clean spot to put a sticker. If you recognize your own sticker, leave us a comment below. Because I don't recognize like any of these stickers unless I'm just overlooking something. Put mine right here. So that's kind of cool. I'm going to check out the rest of Seligman here. That's funny. Very cool. Yeah.
So this is the famous Angels Barbershop. This is the guy that fought the state of Arizona when they put the new highway in, and I think it was him and his brother or something. I read a story or seen a story about it, and pretty interesting how him and his brothers fought against the new highway or whatever and tried to keep Seligman alive.
That's cool. Really windy out here, of course. So Seligman is a really cool stop on historic Route 66. You really should stop and check it out, and make sure you stop into the I think it's called the Emporium. Route 66 Emporium. Super nice lady in there that owns the shop, and they have a motorcycle and auto museum inside, and of course souvenirs of all kinds. So I grabbed a jacket while I was in there. But so yeah, it's pretty neat. It's a neat little town. You should definitely check it out. We hope that you enjoyed coming along with us on the little bit of Route 66 stops that we did do on this trip. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload new videos. Don't forget to share some of our videos and leave us comments below, and give us a big thumbs up. And we hope to see you again on our next happy adventure.